Hey guys, it's Mike here with iDVHD, and today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot with your Mac. One of the first things I'm going to show you how to do is go to your preferences, go to your keyboard, customize control strip. Now on here you're going to see a couple options. I'm going to go ahead and on the touch bar open up the expanded menu. So now we see screenshot over here. What I would tell you to do is go ahead and drag that down to wherever you want it. So it'll be on your control strip. That's the default set, but I changed mine. Simply click and drag down to the control strip. You'll see it there. Press done. Close out that window. Now on your control strip, go ahead and open that expanded menu. I know you can't see this here, but I'm going to walk you through. Click the screenshot button. See what happened there? Immediately it wants to take a screenshot for me. Now when you do that, there's going to be a couple options in terms of how to save the screenshot. Do you want to take a full window or just part of the screen? Right now it's set up so that it'll only take the particular window I want. So if I click on this, it saves, and I have mine saved to the clipboard. So you can see I control pasted it in here. And it's as easy to do that. The other thing we can do is Command-Shift-3. Command-Shift-3 will take a screenshot of the entire window. So let me show you. See how it took that screenshot right there? That's the entire window. Let's do Command-Shift-4. Command-Shift-4 will take a screenshot of a particular window. So maybe I just want the background. Let's go ahead and put that in here. You can see it's just the background. Let's do Command-Shift-3 again. That's that. Now when you press Command-Shift-4, you can see how it picks that window. If you tap the spacebar, that'll switch into your selector tool. So maybe I want part of this window and part of the background. Maybe I want some of the dock too. Let's go ahead and do that. See how that comes up. And you can see how that particular screenshot came up in here. So there's a couple ways to take a screenshot. Notice on the menu bar, if you have the touch bar on your computer, you can select how it saves. Whether that's to your clipboard, you can have it immediately go to messages, which is quite useful, and a couple other options as well. Hope this helped you guys out. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section below. Subscribe, like this video, and we'll be back with another one.